It's been a busy day. It's been a busy few days. It's been a busy few months. But for today, I gotta wash clothes. What you do today? Wash clothes. 2 loads. Folded clothes. Washed up. Posted material on OnlyFans, both the pages. Of course, it was, I guess not today, yesterday. It was the 4th for Independence Day. Wish those Independence Day that I could. Deep conditioned my hair. Something Erica uses. It's really awesome. I figured it could use a deep conditioning, and so I washed it and things. Got my cardio in, about 30 to 40 minutes cardio. Dancing. Ate with the family. They ordered barbecue. I hadn't had angel food cake in a minute. Had some angel food cake. Oh, spent the morning with the Sages. They got some good stuff going on I can't wait to participate in. As far as book writing. Book writing excites me, period. Listen to a couple of people. I listened to a little bit of Ask Nathaniel this AM. But it was like an 11-hour podcast that he had did like 17 hours prior. You think I got time to just be sitting down for 11 hours listening to a YouTube video? I'm going to have to break that up in sections, honey. I have much to do. But I did use some material from it today, which inspired me for the pieces that I have on Etsy. That's what that did. That sparked a flame. The Ask Nathaniel video. And I put on my Etsy. Our folks, we got to get it together. No shooting out at the barbecue, at the club, whatever else. And then don't be getting high or drunk and driving. And him and a few other people talk about Black love and the community. So I made sure on my Etsy page to touch on that as well. Posted quite a bit on my Etsy page. My goal is to keep 100 items on the page circulating at the same time. Some items I have up to $9.99. And then there's other items like the Pride collection. I have that for a limited supply. And then I just added some customs today, graphic-wise. I call it the switcheroos. You send me a picture, I switch it out for the design that I have in the background. I love my tip menu price sheet. Who was it I tried to use on Etsy originally to post a inspirational saying. I believe it was Louis Vuittons is what they called. I had no clue actually what a pair of Louis costed. When I looked it up, my gosh, that's a house. I said, oh, these are black girl dreams. Somebody dreams. When I went to the website, they had the Caucasian lady wearing the Louis Vuittons. I said, well, that's not going to work. So I took it and I made the Caucasian lady chocolate. I mean, that's what they did back in the day. You used blackface. I figured, why not apply it to the Louis Vuittons? Don't judge me. I was just having fun designing. So, by the time I was done, it was a little chocolate lady, legs in the air, diamonds and gold and glitter and all the fun stuff a girl likes me likes. Yeah, Etsy got back with me and said, look, lady, we don't need no lawsuits from third parties or whoever else. Okay. Understood, notated, we won't do that again. So, and that's what I had for one of my inspirational sayings as well as my tip sheet. So I switched it out with a picture of me in one of my own lingerie pieces from the lingerie line from Dulcia's Secrets Couture LLC, and put that on the tip sheet menu. So when somebody sends me a picture, I'll just switch theirs out and put it in. And I've got it for like $9.99, which is really awesome because I'm going to have it for like $35 later. It's a custom made. Normally the starting charges of graphics, it starts at $35 anyway. I'm already at, to draw in people, I've got it at like $25 as my starting point till I get some folks behind me. And then for the specials, I've got them $9.99 to like $14.99, $15, pretty much. And then I did some lift runs. My first lift run here in Indianapolis today while I'm here for the next few weeks until I get back to Georgia. I did my first lift run, which landed me at the Point. I haven't partied at the Point. I like the Point. Point's a nice place as far as a nightclub. I haven't had a nightclub experience at the Point for years. It's probably been about a good 15 years. It was good to wait outside on my first client, who tipped me. Amen. And listen to the blues and jazz music. That was nice. Very, very nice. Very nice young man. Very nice older gentleman who plays the electric guitar and had his key box with him as well. He's not originally from here. He has visited my homeland. We talked a great deal about Louisiana and some other things as well, but he said the best experience he's ever had was in NOLA, playing with the musicians after Katrina. Yeah, that's awesome. Little problem vibing here with some of the musicians, but he's working on it. And he doesn't do it full time. He's just now getting his material.